Well, my garage door keypad finally bit the dust. I tried replacing the battery. That didn't work. Then I tried reprogramming it using some of the buttons that I didn't use on one of my previous codes. And that worked for a while, but then the bad news is my enter button bit the dust. So now I pretty much have to replace it. So I bought this universal keypad from Chamberlain. It's called a KLIK2U. I bought it off eBay. I've actually bought a couple of these in my time, between maybe $8 and $20, just depending on what you can get at the time on eBay. So we're going to remove this one and replace it with this. We'll save this battery for later. That just kind of hung on that screw like that, and the other screw went right inside the hole. So we'll discard this properly. The door on this one just kind of slides up and down, like so. Not too fancy, not as easy to use as the original, but it'll do the job. So we got this thing unpackaged. It has a slider door instead of a flip door, which I guess is okay. And you've got to look on the instructions for which type of door opener you have. I have a type 4, which is in the 4th column over. It's a Chamberlain since newer than 2011. And then you have to look in that column to identify which type door you have, 1 through 9. I have a type 8, which is Chamberlain, 2011 or more recent, with a yellow button. Okay? And then the instructions are a little bit incorrect, so I'll walk you through them the correct way. I'm going to need to press pound and star at the same time so the keypad stops flashing. Then I'm going to press in my code, which I'm going to choose as 1111, and then pound. And then my door opener type, which is 8, and then pound. And then I'm going to go up and program it. So here we go. I'm going to press these 2 buttons until the keypad stops. Now I'm going to press in the code, 1, 1, 1, 1, pound. Then my door opener type, which is 8, and a pound. Okay? Now, I'm going to go up the ladder. I'm going to press the yellow button to put it into learning mode. And then it says to press the learn button, which is a little tiny button over here on the left. And then enter my PIN and the 0 key, which is the enter key. So I'll enter that. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It looked like it understood. And then it says to test and use, wait until the light turns off. Enter your PIN and press the 0 key. So we'll enter that PIN, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 for enter. And I guess it's programmed, except it's not working.
didn't they do that?
Now all of a sudden it's decided to work. But I set it in a mode where it's flashing. Let's try it again. Pressed in my code and 0, which is enter. And up it goes. I think we'll wait until the light turns off. Looks like it's out of programming mode at this point. And we'll call it a day until we hang this thing up on the wall. Alright, I think we got it programmed, so let's just try it one more time. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 for enter. Looks like it's working, so I'll press 0 to reverse it and leave the door open. That's great. So, a little bit of trial and error on the programming. I've never had it go real smooth. Just try some different things, look at a few YouTube videos. This lid, if you wiggle it enough, will pop right off, exposing a hole. And we'll put our old screw in there. Just drop that in like so. And put it in the old hole. Leave it a little bit slack. Okay, we've mounted the top screw. And to mount the bottom screw, we're going to take the battery cover off. And that just goes straight down toward the ground. Might come off a little hard at first. Remove the battery, and then we've got our hole for the screw right there. Let's just eyeball this to make sure that this is straight up and down, which it is. And then I'm going to drill a pilot hole. We're dealing with hardy plank here, so it's really hard stuff. Get that screw started a little bit. And hammer drill. Make sure we get it in there good, which it is. And we'll tighten that top one up. Not too tight, we're dealing with plastic. Put that battery cover back on. There we go. Little tiny Phillips screw. Not too tight. And finally, there we go. All set.